Hello and welcome back to Earn IT video after a long time, and I'm sorry about that. I was busy with my papers. So the site that I am going to show you today is a very good site. You can earn a lot daily. With a minimum you can earn $1 per day, but it also depends on your work. You have to complete some small tasks that are available on the site, and for completing those small tasks you will get paid. So without wasting time, let's get started. You can find the link to the site in the description. Click on the link and you will be on the site. So I am already logged in. All you have to do is create your account and start working. You can see I have about $1.6 in my account. You can also put jobs for other users to complete from spendable balance that you will get upon registration. In the pending, if you request a payment, then the payment from earned will be transferred to pending before it is transferred to your account. If you are from a country where surveys are available, you can get paid surveys and you can earn a lot from here as well. So in the find jobs tab, scroll down and you can find the job from these options: job level, category, subcategory, payment, location, and employer states, so that you can find the best job for you. So scroll down and you can see the results that are available. I have about 1312 results, means that I have 1312 jobs available that I can complete. You can see there are info available about the job on this page. This is the job name, the level, this is the level of the user who can complete this job. For you will be a starter upon the registration, and you can increase your level by completing tasks and getting successful reviews. So this will be the payment for completing the task, and this is the amount, this is the total number of completions that the employer requires, and these are the completions that are done till now. So you can see a lot are available, a lot of them are available. I mostly complete these marketing test visits because they take a lot less time. The payment is also less, but with these you don't have to create account on a different site and verify that account and other troubles. So you can see marketing visits are of $0.03, $0.03. You will not get any job of less than $0.01 from this site. So if you complete high value jobs, you can earn a lot. You can see if you sign up on survey time and complete a survey, you will get $0.21. So you can see a lot of jobs are available. So here you can see if you complete a Gmail plus Instagram account, you will get $0.25. So click on any job that you are interested in. I will prefer you to open it in a new tab so that you can open multiple jobs. Here you can see start clicks only sign up. You have to do only one sign up and you will get $0.1. Here you can see the details about the job when you open the job from the main. Here you can see 207 done of 1300. I will recommend that you complete the job only when there is a huge gap between this and this. If there is a gap of 10 or 15, then don't do the job. So here you can see after completing the job, the employer will have to pay you within 7 days, or else you will get the payment automatically even if your submission proof is wrong. So here you can see job ID, and here what is expected from you, what you have to do. Every job will have the requirements and the proofs that you are required to submit. So the requirement is I have to go to this link, then I will choose sign up as a publisher. There I will add a referral code, Then I will log into my account and then click mobile verification. After verifying my account, my phone and email, I can submit the proof here. So here you can see what proofs you need to give. You need to give the name that you use during sign up and the screenshot of phone verification page. Here you have to give the name and here you have to give the screenshot. So every job will have these types of requirements. You can see, let me open another one. This is the marketing test visit 1x. This is the 1x, so it is it is of $0.03. If it is 2x or 3x or 4x, the rate will increase. Mostly the 2x visits are of $0.05. So here you can see what is expected from you. Clear your browser cookies first. You can do that from the settings. Go to this URL, then click then visit this URL from that. Let me complete it. Going on to this URL, I have to visit this from there, this thing from there. So here, this is the only link that is available. So click on it and pause 1 minute at the post and scroll down to the last word. I have to spend 1 minute on the post and then scroll down to the last words. After that, I have to visit 4 to 6 pages from there, and I have to spend about 25 seconds on each page. Then I have to click one ad and browse the ad for about 1 minute, and then I have to visit 2 pages in that advertisement. So this is what I have to do. Then as a proof, I have to send last 2 websites URL visited and last word of third URL article and send clicked advertisement URL link. So from here, then visit 4 to 6 pages. You will get this last word of third URL website, and also from here you will get last 2 website URL visited. Then you have to send the advertisement URL that you got after clicking on the advertisement, and that's it. After that, submit the proof and it will be in it will be in the pending balance. The pending balance will include all the payments that are not approved from the employers. After the payments are approved, you will get your pending balance will transfer from pending to earned balance. So this is it from here. Now you can see the tasks completed from my task option. Here you can see I have completed only 18 tasks and I have earned $1.6. You can see satisfied plus paid tasks are 18 and pending reviews are 0. You can get the details from here, and then if you have posted a job, you can click on my jobs and from here you can check. Then let's go to the wallet from where you can request the payment. First, you can open a spot ticket from here. If you have any questions about the site, contact the admins. Then you can see the ranks of different workers that are working on this site, your notifications, your view logs, your profile, and you can change the color of the site from light to dark from here. So let's go to the wallet. So here we are. You can request your payment to this is the deposit. Yes, this is the deposit section. You can deposit from AirTM, Skrill, cryptocurrencies, PayPal, and credit and debit cards if you want to post jobs on this site. Then there is the withdrawal. In the withdrawal, you will click on the request withdrawal. The minimum payment that you can request is about $5, I guess, or it is $10. Let me check. You can request your payment to Litecoin, PayPal, or Skrill. I will recommend Skrill because it has less fees. Litecoin has 8% fees and PayPal is also with 7% fees. So here you can see you have to have about $5.75 in your earned balance to request the payment, and you will receive your payment within 10 business days. So this is a completely legit site and you can earn a lot from this site. I am busy with my exams, so I am not able to complete the task on this site, but I will post the payment proof as soon as I reach the minimum amount that is required for the withdrawal. So this is it with the site. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more legit earning sites. And this is it from my side. I will see you in the next video. This is it.